Arthritis is a common condition that causes inflammation in the joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and difficult moving. If you are someone who suffers from this condition, you know that it can be very painful and frustrating. While there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to managing arthritis and joint pain, there are certain foods that can cause inflammation and make your symptoms worse. So in this video, we'll discuss the food that you may want to avoid if you have arthritis and joint pain, so that you can better control your symptoms and have a more enjoyable life. Hi, DrJedosaThePharmD here. Welcome, and please like and subscribe the channel. Without further ado, the first food to avoid is sugar. Studies have shown that eating too much sugar can cause the body to make more molecules that cause inflammation. This can lead to increased inflammation in your body. And also, don't forget that high sugar intake has been linked to an increased risk of developing many chronic conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and heart diseases, all of which can also contribute to the development of joint pain and inflammation. Try to stay away from sugary drinks such as sodas, energy drinks, and juices, as well as high sugar snacks like candy and cookies. You should also limit your consumption of prepackaged foods, as they tend to have a high amount of added sugar. And when you're buying prepackaged foods, make sure to read the label and check for the sugar content. But also remember that sugar has many names, so look for words ending in OSE like fructose or sucrose on the ingredient labels. By cutting sugar from your diet, you'll be on your way to taking control of your arthritis and joint pain. Number 2. Processed meats. Processed meats such as ham, sausage, and deli meats may worsen joint pain and inflammation in people with arthritis. These meats are often high in saturated fat, which can contribute to inflammation in the body. In addition, they may contain additives such as preservatives and flavorings that can also contribute to inflammation. They are also high in sodium, which can cause fluid retention and further worsening joint swelling. So it's best to avoid processed meats if you suffer from arthritis or joint pain, and opt for healthier protein sources like grass-fed beef, chicken, or fish. Number 3. Vegetable oils. Many cooking oils such as soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, and canola oil are highly processed, loaded with omega-6 fats and low in omega-3 fats. Your body needs both omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acid in the right amounts. However, a high amount of omega-6 fats can increase inflammation in your body, which can make arthritis and joint pain worse. Overall, it's important to be mindful of the type of oil you are using in your cooking. It is best to limit your intake of vegetable oils, mayonnaise, and many salad dressings, and opt for healthy alternatives like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil instead whenever possible. Doing so can help you manage your arthritis and joint pain and reduce inflammation in your body. Number 4. Alcohol. It is well known that drinking too much alcohol can have a negative effect on your overall health, and this is especially true if you have arthritis and joint pain. Alcohol can exacerbate inflammation and pain and even make the symptoms of arthritis worse. Heavy drinking has also been linked to the development of certain types of arthritis and joint issues such as gout. If you do choose to drink, the recommended limit is 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Number 5. Highly processed foods. You may already know that processed foods are bad for you, but this is a serious concern if you have arthritis or joint pain. Highly processed foods such as frozen meals, cereals, fast foods, and prepackaged meals are not the best choice for people with arthritis and joint pain. These foods have a lot of added sugars, salt, preservative, and unhealthy fats that can contribute to inflammation in the body. Not only can these foods cause inflammation, but they can also increase the risk of other chronic diseases. Inflammation is the key factor in the development and progression of arthritis, so it is usually best to avoid foods that can cause inflammation. Number 6. Gluten. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, rye, and barley. This means you should avoid many of the foods we usually think as comfort foods, such as bread, pasta, and pizza. There is some evidence suggesting that a gluten-free diet may be beneficial for people with certain types of arthritis, such as rheumatoid arthritis. This is because some people with arthritis have sensitivities to gluten. These sensitivities can cause inflammation in the body, which can make the symptoms of arthritis worse. A gluten-free diet may help reduce inflammation and improve symptoms in some individuals, especially those who have celiac disease, which is an autoimmune disorder that affects small intestine. So it's important to note that not all people with arthritis will benefit from gluten-free diet, but you may try to see if your arthritis symptoms improve. Number 7. Refined carbohydrates. For people with arthritis, avoiding refined carbohydrates can be especially important. This is because consuming too many refined carbohydrates can lead to inflammation in your body, and inflammation is a common problem for people with arthritis. When you eat too many refined carbohydrates, your blood sugar goes up, which can cause inflammation in your body and increase the risk of other chronic conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. Most refined carbohydrates have no nutritional value because they have been processed too much and have had most of their nutrients and fiber removed. So limit your intake of refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and pastries as much as possible. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness videos. Have a wonderful day. Bye.